A few days ago, one of our viewers asked us a question about a problem they were facing with menu navigation. And this is actually a very common problem for developers. Sometimes you click a menu item and nothing happens. Sometimes it opens the wrong page, shows a blank screen, or takes you to a 404 error. If you're also facing a similar problem, let us know in the comments section. So in today's video, we're going to look at some of the most common reasons why menu navigation breaks and how you can troubleshoot these issues. The first thing to check is your link. Make sure the URL or path in your menu item is correct. Even a small spelling mistake, an incorrect slash, or a wrong file name can cause navigation to fail. For example, if your page is called about.html, but your menu is linking to about-us.html, the link simply won't work. The second common problem is incorrect routing. If you're using a framework or a single-page application, navigation may be handled by a router instead of traditional HTML links. In this case, make sure your routes are correctly defined and that the path in your menu matches the route you created. Another common issue is the use of relative and absolute paths. A link like about.html behaves differently from this or this. So if your menu is inside a different folder, the path may not point to the location you expect. You should also check whether JavaScript is affecting your navigation. Sometimes a click event, a missing function, or a JavaScript error can prevent a menu item from working correctly. Open your browser's developer tools and check the console for errors. This can often quickly show you what is causing the problem. And finally, test your navigation carefully. Click every menu item and make sure each link goes to the correct destination. Test your navigation on different screen sizes as well, especially if you're using a mobile menu. So, whenever your menu navigation is not working, start with the basics. Most navigation problems are caused by a small issue that can be found with a little troubleshooting. And thank you to the viewer who asked this question. Your comment helped us create this video, and hopefully it also helps others facing the same problem. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments.